guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be working on the STI. We're actually not doing anything to this car, but so I'm just going to walk around the car for a little bit and kind of show you guys how the car is set up right now. It's really loud, but it's on a stock suspension right now, and it has raised gram lights. They're 18 by, I'm not really sure, I don't remember. They were brand new, but they have been curbed, so that kind of sucks. Maybe we could fix that later in the future. Beautiful green STI calipers. Those came stock. We put this rear visor on. These are OEM Subaru visors as well. And then it has an NVIDIA catback exhaust, which is super loud, but it sounds really great. You do have a little bit of droning on the high end, like freeway driving, but it's not too bad. But yeah, so this is the stock height. You guys can see here. And we can do some cool shots right now of the car. It's all right. Good? Yeah. All right, so we're just gonna bring it back into the garage, and then we're gonna start working on it. We had to bring out the Celica to make some room. All right, so I kept talking about the height because today we're actually installing some brand new coilovers, and they are Fortune Auto 500s. These are brand new, but we got them at a better deal because they are the manufacturer defect ones, so they do kind of have like little nicks here and there. You can see the paint's not perfect on some. Looks like they've been test fitted, but shocks are brand new. I think they've been refilled with gas if they were bad, but everything still seems pretty good. It doesn't really seem heavily used at all. I don't know if they changed out the springs though. Not sure, but they look pretty much brand new, and that's what they sold them as, so it's pretty cool. Everything's good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install these on today, and then see how the car rides afterwards. So here's the interior if you guys are interested. What model is this one, Jeff?
It's
the black edition?
no.
Or what did they call it? I don't even know.
Limited.
Oh, I don't know why I keep wanting to say black, but yeah, it's the STI Limited model. This one came with the moonroof, so that's like the main thing, right?
Yeah.
The moonroof. And what else?
Push start.
Oh yeah, so and it comes with the push start, heated seats. Do they all come with Recaros?
I think all STIs, I think.
Oh, okay, so I think all the STIs come with Recaros, but this one comes with heated seats, and yeah, it has that nice push start, so you don't have to put in the key, and it comes with a nice moonroof, which I really like personally. I know a lot of people, they don't like that, but this is a mom-owned car, so this is her sports car / daily, and so it has baby seats in the back. So just a super cool sports car daily for the mom that owns this car. 2 Recaro baby seats back here too. Just kidding, but yeah, pretty cool. I like this car. It's my brother's wife's car, and we're just fixing it up for her. This is all like how she likes to fix up the car, so it's pretty similar to how we would do it anyways. But super clean, OEM. For the most part, nothing's been touching the motor, so just the exhaust system. So don't know how to access the rear coilovers yet. Hopefully we don't have to do it from up here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be from back here though. So we gotta pull out this panel and then see what we're working with. Alright, so after removing all of the panels here in the trunk area, finally found where the coilovers are, and they're accessed here. So you can see the 2 bolts, which is pretty nice. It's not too hard to get to, but you do have to remove this whole panel because it's all one solid piece. And so it's a little easier to work with anyways. So yeah, just gonna do the rears, and they might actually be easier than the fronts now because it seems pretty simple. I'm glad we didn't have to go through up here. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be up here, but I was thinking maybe right here or somewhere harder, but that's not bad. So it's gonna take out the wheels and then replace the coilover with the stock suspension. Okay, so the rears are all set up and installed, and it looks beautiful in here. So we're gonna put on the tires or the wheels and then see how low the car actually is, and hopefully it's at a good height to where we don't have to do it again. But if we do, then we just adjust it. We could just adjust it on the fly anyway, so it shouldn't be too bad. But yep, there it is, and it looks amazing. Hopefully they feel just as great as they look. But all right, gonna put on the wheels. Did you put on your side already, Jeff?
No, but I put it on. I tightened it.
Oh. All right, moment of truth. Let's hope it doesn't squash the rear end. You good?
Take it out, Joe.
All right. Oh, that's perfect, dude.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's perfect. Cause you're not rolled, and then it's like it's gonna settle too.
That's actually what I wanted.
Yeah. Damn, looks good though. Lighting sucks.
About the same.
I think the lighting's better on this way.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, it's a little lower, but we measured up. And it actually might raise up once you lower that.
Yeah.
You know? So we'll see. We'll have to do the fronts first and then see how it looks like. Can't really see anything.
On yours?
Man, it looks good. Right where you want it, right where it hits the tire.
Yeah. Put ball light. You do that. Ball light.
Okay, the fronts should be a little easier, so let's go ahead and do the fronts, and then that should only take like 15 minutes to do.
How would you say that in the movie?
All right, we just finished installing the fronts. So here are the stock ones, and then here are the Fortune Auto ones. So it looks pretty cool. Kind of wish the logo was on this side, but it's nice. So we're gonna drop it right now. Take it off the jack and see how low it goes. Hopefully this is perfect too. Oh. That's it?
No.
That's like,
Is it?
Yeah. That was kind of underwhelming. Okay, let's drop it again and see where we're at.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. You want to put a block of wood though?
Yeah, just put one.
That should be fine.
Lower?
Yeah.
Still not enough though, huh?
I mean, I like it. I think that's more. Or do you want to be slammed?
It's like 2. I don't know.
Well, you won't really know till you roll off too.
Yeah.
Do you have room? Just drive it.
Just drive it?
Yeah, because then you can actually brake and move.
You have the key.
Last thing we want is rolling into the STI.
Or low, huh?
We should did a full 2. It's about an inch in here, and it's 2 up front. But
You do one more in?
all right, last time. Let's see if it's 3rd time's the charm. I made it kind of hard. Don't slam it, bro. You got it?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be right where you want it. Yeah, that's exactly where you want that. See your one finger right there. Hi. Doesn't fit too. That's just like the rear now.
Yeah. Alright.
Static, bruh. There it is. That's like the fitment we wanted for this car. It's just about a finger's length, just like an inch. And that should be enough, huh? Hopefully it doesn't rub when she hits bumps, but
I think it is.
I mean, these fenders are like naturally rolled already. Or did you ever roll these?
No.
Yeah, it's like rolled from factory. That's pretty crazy how they do that, huh? But I mean, this is a pretty aggressive setup. See a lot of tire on the outside. Same thing with the rear. Can't really see, but fitment's great. Looks good. It's more like a street stance or track stance. So they just went on a drive. She's gonna know how it feels like, or she's gonna know the difference between the stock suspension and the Fortunato's because she actually dailies that car. But I'm gonna still go for a test drive and then show you guys kind of my opinion or just how I feel about the coilovers. So wait till they come back and then we're gonna go for a drive. Okay guys, we are in the STI. I'm gonna go for a drive and let's see how it feels. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Dark, but handles. Man, it feels great. I like it. I would recommend them. I was thinking about getting these for my 86, but kind of in between that or the one that everybody's been raving about, which is Annex coilovers. So I'm not really sure if I want to get Annex or if I want to actually go with Fortune Autos. You want to reverse it in?
Yeah. Feel it?
I mean, yeah, they feel great. I mean, they feel kind of like any other coilover,
Feel better than
but they're like they're not harsh when you do hit a bump. You know, it kind of feels like that OEM feel, but then it's stiffer when you want it. Like when you kind of punch it, it plants you into the ground. Is that a car? Or... Here, you do it.
wow, that's better than my 86 coilover.
Yeah, I think anything's gonna feel better than that, but. So we're just gonna pull in the STI the other way so we can put in the trunk interior again. But yeah, so it's kind of dark, so you can't really see. So I'm actually gonna end the vlog there, and I'll update you guys on another vlog, and we'll look at the STI, and we'll look at the STI in the daylight. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, peace.